So, first of all, I will give a brief introduction about the session and myself. So, today the topic is AI visuals in Power BI, and this is my details. I'm Samudra, and currently I'm working as a senior data analyst at Wiley. And here I have mentioned my Twitter, LinkedIn, and blog links. And currently I'm residing in Sri Lanka, and I'm having experience in data warehousing and BI tools like Tableau, Power BI, and data analyst side as well. Totally, I have 8+ years experience. So let's move on to the agenda for today. So first of all, I will give an introduction about the chart types, and today we are going to talk about these AI Power BI AI charts like Q&A and decomposition tree, key influencers, and we are getting. I have some data related to the compensation data, San Francisco compensation data. So we are going to start analyze those data set and going to create some visuals using Q&A, decomposition tree, and the key influences. So, first of all, we'll get an idea about the topic. So, basically, uh, AI means like we are giving our we are trained some models and we are creating some machine learning components, and then finally the AI components. Uh, they can predict some analysis, and they can independently work. So here there are three official main types of AI: weak AI, strong AI, and super AI. So currently Microsoft is investing so heavily in AI capabilities, and they are trying to provide this fourth type, Power AI. So when it's come to the Power, today I'm doing some demos using the Power BI desktop, and all of them are you can do using the Power BI service as well. So first visualization is the Q&A. Um, so actually that feature explore your data in your own words by allocating you to ask natural language questions and then providing some answers, accurate answers. So here below you can see how you can enable that. I mean, how you can get visuals into the Power BI canvas, and the other visual type is key influences. So here, this visual helps you to understand the factors that affecting a specific metric. It analyzes your data for you, rank the factors that matters, and displays those factors as key influences. So I will explain this using one scenario. So then you can get more idea about this visual type as well. And the other visualization type is a decomposition tree. So this visual automatically aggregates your data, and you can drill down into your dimensions, and you can get an idea about how that data distribute across the multiple dimensions. So and finally you can get an idea about what is the root cause as well. So uh, since I think I have more time, so I thought to discuss about other visuals as well. So some visuals are we can get some insights visuals. So there we can talk about how the differences appeared, and likewise we can get some interesting outputs using the Power BI. So I'm also going to uh, discuss about those things as well. So let's move on to the our data set. So this is the data set which I have today. So we have employee salary compensation for San Francisco. Uh, so here you can see we have organization group code, job family code, job code, year type year, organization group, department code, department, union code, union, job family, job, and after that employee identifier is there. And for each and every employee we have some we have salary and overtime, other salaries, then total salary, retirement, health, dental, and other benefits, and total benefits, and other compensation. So when we are analyzing this data set, here you can see I'm going to filter one organization group code. uh, okay, I'm going to select this first one, and here you can see one group code has, okay, here one group code has okay, I'm going to select first, and here you can see one group code has many departments. Okay, and I'm going to select this adult probation. Okay, and for that one department we have multiple job families here: information systems, payroll, billing, and accounting, those kind of job families. And for each job family we have different jobs here. So that is one hierarchy of this data set. And here you can see, so we are calculating this total compensation by adding total salary with the total benefits. So here you can see I'm going to add total salary plus total benefit. So here you can see we are getting total compensation by adding total salary and total benefits. So this is a small idea about this data set. And for the demo I'm using Power BI desktop, and here I'm going to import this data set. I think this is this is a CSV file. So here you can see, like, we can get data using this one, and I'm importing CSV file. And okay, see, this is the, we have employee salary compensation, and it's like we have a lot of data uh, here. Like, it's, you can see, like, we have count here. We, you can see this much of amount records we have, uh, because, like, when we are going, when we want to get some insights, we need to have huge amount of data. And I'm going to load this one. Okay, it will get few seconds to load that. And okay, so here you can see all the fields are here. And now I'm going to create a Q&A visual. There are three ways to create Q&A visuals. I will tell those three ways. First one is, you can double click on this canvas area here. So if one of you are not familiar with the Power BI, this is the canvas area. We can create chart, and this is the visuals we can use. And if you have a Power BI Pro account, you can import more, get more visuals into the Power BI, this Power BI desktop. And this is the table, I mean the data fields. And there are three panes like report area and the data panel and the model. So when you go to the data panel, so assume that if you have five tables, by clicking these one you can preview this data. And here when we are creating models, here you can see the relationship between those. So that is brief of, I mean the small description about the Power BI desktop. And now I'm going to create a Q&A visual. First one is like you can double click on this area, and it will create some it will prompt some these questions. So here actually these are comes from this data set. Based on this data set and this data model, it's generating based on these keywords inside the this data set, it's generating. So assume that I want to get this total compensation, so you need to just select this one. And here uh, here you can see this is the total compensation. And assume that if you want to convert this as a visual, so what you need to do is, here there's an icon, so it notify that turn this Q&A visual result into a standard visual. So you just need to click this one, and here you can see now we have in our page we have total compensation card. So you can adjust, I mean you can do some customizations using this panel. And I like you can here title we don't need. So here you can like reduce the font sizes. And I'm going to change the color. Likewise, you can do whatever the customizations using this paintbrush icon. And that is a one way you can create this Q&A. And the other one is from here you can see Power BI itself gives some visuals. So here there is a icon called Q&A. First thing you need to click on the canvas area and just click this Q&A. And here you can get the same this window. So here I'm going to ask some questions like total uh, compensation for year. So here you can see like I'm here you can see that blue color underline wordings. So here I'm giving some words and it's showing total compensation showed by year. So and we have this one, and I'm going to convert this as well. So here by looking at this, it's based on the keywords which I have put, it will provide the appropriate visuals. And the third one is there's a tab called insert. So here you can click on this one, and here you can see there is a Q&A icon. So click on the canvas area and click on Q&A, and again it will come. And here you can see how many unions are there. Okay, so this is count of union, it's 128 and 128. And here you can see we are getting a count of unions. So likewise By inserting some questions, it identify the keywords and it will provide appropriate output. Um, output. So that is the beauty of this one, and that is for the this Q&A. And let's move on to the decomposition tree. So I will create this is Q&A, and I'm going to the this is decomposition tree. Okay. So here you can get decomposition tree like this. You just need to click on this one, and here also you have this icon. By clicking this one also you can get this visual. And from this here you can see I'm going to analyze this total compensation. Yeah, analyze total compensation. So here you can see this is the total compensation value, and I'm going to analyze this one based on this organization group. So like I said earlier, there's a hierarchy, the organization group. Then we have departments. Okay, and after that we have job family, and we have jobs. Okay, so here you need to click on this plus icon, and you can get high values and low values here. So I'm going to go with these high values. So here you can see this is the total compensation, and here you can see how that total compensation distributes against this organization group. And the next level is department. So you need to click this plus icon here. Okay, here you can see we have this department wise. Like here you can see I will click on this culture and recreation, and here like it distribute for Fine Arts Museum. And the next level is job family. So here I'm going to click on this one, high value, and this is how it distribute that fine arts museum total compensation distribute like this. And the final level is this job. So here I'm going to click this one, park and zoo, and here you can see this is how it distributes. Okay. So here, if you want to check that total compensation against this general city uh, these responsibilities, so it divided into these two categories. And if you want to click on this one here, it's distributed like this, and uh, yeah, it's distributed like this. So in that case actually this is very powerful visualization, because using one visual you can get to that uh, detail level of these hierarchies. And I mean, if you want to uh, do this using the previous visuals, then what we have to do is like you need to just take this I mean, we'll take this column chart, uh, clustered column chart, and for the x-axis I'm going to put organization group, and Organization group. And anyway, I need to create this hierarchy in the Power BI. So I'm going to analyze this total compensation for the Y axis and job hierarchy. Sorry, organization group, then department and job family. Department, then family and job. Yeah, in that case, you need to enable this drill mode. And here, if you want to go through this public workspace works, so you need to click on this one. And again, if you want to multiple this one, you just need to drill down. So other other than this one, using this decomposition tree, you can get a clear idea about uh, how it distribute the total compensation distribute among these hierarchies like organization group, department, job family and job. So that is the second visual type. uh, okay, so I'm going to the third one, that is key influencer visual. So key influencer, here you can see key influencer, or else using this insert, there's a key influencer here, and I'm going to click on that. Uh, and for this one, Uh, I'm going to analyze total compensation, and I'm going to explain by explain by we'll take job. Okay, so here hmm, here you can see um, um, this one. Okay, influencer with total compensation. I'm going to analyze with this job. Okay, so here how you can read this is okay. Yes. So here you can see so what influences total compensation to increase. This is how we can read this. When job is captain 3, the average of total compensation increased by this amount. This this amount. And here you can see like if I want to show only the influencers, you can tick on this one. And here you can see in the using the blue color, this is the influencers that total compensation is more likely to increase when job is captain 3 than otherwise on average. Likewise, here you can get more idea about this. When job is captain, emergency this value, and the total the average of total compensation increased by this amount. So here you can see that job name. Likewise, if you want to analyze it using this department wise, you can tick on this one. And here you can see when department is cat city attorney, the average of the total compensation increased by this amount. And here you can see that department name cat city attorney and the average of total compensation value here. So using these visuals, you don't need to actually calculate this one. Power BI itself, it's calculating this one and providing meaningful visuals. And for the increase, and you can take the decreases as well. So when you are selecting decreases, what influences total compensation to decrease when department is registered, the average of total compensation decreased by this amount. So this is the amount. Likewise, you can get a good idea about this insights, and you don't need to calculate these values. That is the beauty of these features. And there are some, these are the main this Power BI AI visuals, and I will show some other visuals, like in that case you can get idea about those, then you can apply those visual into your Power BI reports and dashboards. So the I'm going to create one this visual. Based on that, we are going to get some differences why that decreases happens. So in that case, for the x-axis, I am going to put year here, and for y-axis, I am getting total compensation. So here you can see uh, these are the values, and I'm going to sorting. Give me 1 minute. Okay. So here what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to uh, filter for this total compensation for only one job family. So I'm going to put a filter here. So this one, and there is this job family called Park and Zoo, and I'm going to put some data labels here. So here you can see these are the total compensation values, and in I'm going to get some decreases, like here showing these amounts. And what I'm going to do is, we can right click on this one, and there's a two options, like explain the decrease, or find where this distribution is different. So I'm going to go with this find where the distribution is different. Okay, and Power BI itself getting some visuals here. Uh, okay, I'm going with this other one. Analyze, explain the decrease. So here you can see it gives some visual type, like um, Okay, we can select one of these visuals. Uh, okay, so I will go with this one. So here you can see this 2019 we have this much of 14.4141 millions, and it increases in 2019. Animal care attendance it increases, and after that animal care assistant supervision something. So it increases, and for the red color one, you can see animal control officers are there, and here admission attendants. So we choose this park and zoo job family. So in that case, actually, there's a slight decrease with compared to the 2019 to 2020. So actually, we can, I mean, for this decrease, we can assume that in 2020, so COVID happened. I mean, the COVID initially started in 2020. So in that case, you can see like for this admission attendance also, it's a decrease. So in that case, like animal care people are there, yeah, because in the zoo, and so admissions attendance, there are no admission attendance because of this COVID situation. Actually, this is an assumption. So likewise, we can get some build some scenarios using these visuals. So now I'm going to put this by clicking this plus mark. Okay, and actually I'm going to delete. I actually want only one visual. So here you can see like we can keep this parallelly. Uh, so in that case, based on this one, here you can see like in 2019, and there are some increased values and others, and some decreased values. So in that case, actually you can create a nice. We can build nice storytelling here. Likewise, it gives some insights in Power BI. And the same thing we can do by explaining the differences. So initially, I analyzed and I explained the decreases, and the other one is find where this distribution is different. So when I'm clicking on this one, the good thing is like from the this ash color ones, it's showing this total compensation by year, and based on these ones, uh, by looking at these visuals, we can tell that here you can see like rec with 32.3 of records, FEM with 20.3 of records, and ADM with 33.7 of records, among others, most affected the distributions. So this is the department code rec, FEM, and ADM. So likewise here you can see with the ash colors it's increasing, and when we are selecting rec, here you can see while increasing the total compensation, this total compensation for the rec it's decreasing. So likewise, we can get some insights using based on these differences and the analysis. So here, if I want to add on this visual into the page, you need to click on this plus button. Okay. So likewise, you can get some analysis here. You can see the ash color one's line is similar to these edges, and here you can see that total compensation of rec it decreasing while the total compensation is increasing. So that is one thing we can do. Like you just need to right click on this visual, and there are two options: analyze, explain the decreases, and find where this distribution is different. So using these two options, you can get some meaningful visuals inside this Power BI desktop. So the my last visual is, hmm, we can get some create some prediction line. So in that case, what you can do is, I'm going to create a line chart. Mm, okay. Here, and I'm giving this year year to x-axis, and this total compensation in y-axis. And here you can see like it increase in the total compensation here. And assume that if you want to see the next 5 years total compensation predictions, you can do it easily using the Power BI, rather than creating machine learning model and predicting. So what you can do is like, here you can see when I'm clicking on this visual, here you can see there is a button called add further analysis to your visual. So click on this one, and there is an option called forecast, and you need to on this one. And here this is forecast length. I'm going to predict 5 years. So what I'm going to do is I'm entering value 5, and here points, and here you need to just apply this one. And it's telling like forecasting line I'm going to, so the dotted line I want. And see, I'm going to, so here you can see like it's predicting the forecast values, I mean the total compensation for the next years here. So likewise, you can get an predict the values easily based on these features. So, so those are the things which I wanted to cover for today. So, and uh, there's one more link I need to show. Uh, okay, this. So here you can see these are the, we have three different types of pricing, license pricings in Power BI, Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium. For Premium we have per user and the per capacity. And here in this link you can see features for this Power BI Pro per user and the Premium per capacity. So, and I talk about this AI visuals. So in that case, that this AI visuals we can use in Power BI desktop, and we can use in Power BI Pro, Premium and Premium per capacity as well. And there is another mention one, advanced AI, text analytics and image detection, automated machine learning. So when it comes to this one, using the Power BI, uh, there's a place we can. Okay, we need to go to the Power Query here, and this is the place where we are doing data data cleaning part. So here we have AI insights like text analytics, vision, and Azure machine learning. So when it comes to the text analytics, what we can do is assume that if we have different comments, so in that case, we can analyze like the sentiment analysis, like whether it's a positive or negative or neutral one. And so vision we are using for images, and other thing is we can create a machine learning model in Azure, and we can get it into the Power BI desktop, and we can do some analysis. Okay, so these are the AI insights, and in this link, uh, here you can see these are the advanced AI, text analytics, image detection, and automated machine learning. And actually, if we are implemented this one, you can only use this using the Power BI Premium and per capacity and the Power BI Premium per user. It's not available in Power BI Pro. So those are the things which I have prepared for today, and now I'm going to wrap up this session for that. Uh, yeah, this is the summary. So first we will we got an idea about the AI and Power BI, and then we went through the Q&A visual decomposition tree and the clean influences, and we talk about other visuals like insights and these prediction lines, those kind of things. And so we 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 saw these all these visuals using this case study, and so these are two references links which you can refer these topics. And thank you for everyone for the participating to this event. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let me share the slides. Mm, yeah, that's a good session on how to work with AI visuals in Power BI. Hope you enjoyed the sessions. Now we can move to the certificate test. So the secret code for claiming the certificate is QE1769. So I will share the secret code, the chart. So again, I repeat the secret code. Secret code is QE176Y. So that you can download the certificate and you can share on the social media platforms. Okay, any Q&A? Audience, if you have any Q&A, and you can post it in the chat.